Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach inventory management part of the hospital management system. Let's back to our project. Here what I am going to do is here, if I enter the item code, relevant item name and relevant price should be displayed on these text boxes, right? If I enter the quantity, relevant amount will be displayed here. If you click add button, the item detail should be added below the table, right? Now let's see how to do the task. Right, back to my project. Here first what I am going to do is here, go to my page, inventory.php page. Here I am going to write the JavaScript part, right here, right? Okay, right here, right inside the JavaScript. Here to write here is, first one should be the, I am going to create the function get code, item code, right, get item code. Here first what I am going to do is here, first you have to write the code first, right? What's the text box? This one should be the item enter text box, right? Control C, copy this one, Control V to paste here. Here we have to write dot empty. Here we have to write, here is Control C, copy this one, Control V to paste here. We have to write here is dot key up. You have to write here function key, right? Now here what I am going to do is here, you have to write like this. You have to close it right here. This one we have to close it here. This function, right? You have to write the things look like this, right? This here you have to get close at the end, right? This function, right? Right, the key up function, right? That's the key up function mean if you enter the barcode like this, relevant by detail should be displayed here, right? Okay, that's a thing of key up event, right? Now here what I am going to do is here, we have to write the AJAX function inside here. So we have to write AJAX function, right? AJAX, right? Here we have to write as a right to close it. Right, now here what I am going to do is here, you have to write first type, you have to post, type is post, comma, you have to write the URL equal, you have to write here is, go to the page, go to the folder item, this folder, you have to create the file which name is get item.php, right? The item detail should be display coming from this page, right? Now let's back here. We have to give the proper this one location, right? Now here we have to give, here is here we have to write inside the double quotation mark. First we have to access the folder which is a PH folder. Inside the PH folder we have file called item. Inside the item folder we have file called get item dot php, right? That's a file we have access, right? After the data type JSON format, we are retrieving the data from the data JSON format. Here we have to post the data, right? We have to post the data, but it's this one should be the item, right? Now here we have to write like this, or this one, Control C, copy, Control V to paste here. Paste here dot well right. Now here we have to write like this. Here we have to write put to double quotation mark. Here we have to write bracket, right? Here write right. Here we have to copy this one, Control S to cut off, Control V to paste inside the bracket. You have to write here is you have to assign to the assigned here is item code, right? This is the thing we have to write, right? We are sending the data, right? What is item code you are typing? It is assigned to this variable. This variable goes to links, this link, right? So that's the thing we have to do, right? After that, comma, we have to write the success, AJAX success function, Here we have to write data. Right, here we have to write a AJAX success function data. Right, here we have to write here. Right, here we have to write first one is here we have to write $. This one, I name price quantity, I name price, I name dot val data dot I name. Right, this one should be, we are retrieving the values from the this get item.php, right, and we have to let's save this one. We have to go back to my item get item.php. right, here what I'm going to do is here go to the file all item.php, right, you have to copy this one, Ctrl C to copy back to my get item.php. you have to paste it. Right, here we have to change couple of stuff only. This all the stuff are same. From where, here from item where id equal what is the id you are retrieving. Right, you are sending the id from which page, this page you are sending the id, you are posting this id, what is the id you are typing, you are sending through here, get the id, and here we have to write the thing is here have to write item code. I create the variable item code equal, we have to write the post method as well. What's I code? Here this one, item code. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Item code. We are retrieving here. After that, we have to write here res st empty bind param. Here we have to write is s comma. We have to write this one item code. You have to write this item code. It is set it to here. But the ID code here, right? You are set it here, right? So this one values, one question mark are there, it's set it to here, right? That stuff we have to retrieving the values, right? Relevant details should be displayed here. It is set it things look like this. Now what I'm going to do is we have to getting only two things only, item name and buying price, sorry, selling price, right? So here we are retrieving this one. What's the things? Item name. Control C to copy. This one should be item name. After that, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This one should be the price. Here write sell price. We are retrieving the sell price. Okay. Sell price. See, sell price. This one sell price. Right. Not buy price. This is sell price. Right. That's the thing we have to do. That's the thing only do. Let's check whether it's working fine or not. After that, we have to write another stuff is a quantity. Control C to copy, Control this one to quantity. Quantity we have to write after get the price and dot. We have to call the focus method. It is focus on there, right? After details should be displayed and cursor should be focused on the quantity text box, right? Now let's save all. Go here. We have to enter the item. Why it's not working? Right click, impact. Alright, the problem is here. We have to call this one item code, this function here above. This function you have to call like this, right? Now let's Control S to save. Back to the browser and refresh it. Now you have to type the item 1 here. It's successfully displayed panned out. If it is type 2, the relevant details should be 1 panned out, right? Here it focus on the quantity text box. Enter the things. Value need to be calculated here, right? So what I'm going to do is here you have to write another thing is write a function right. Now here we have to write another function. You have to write, after that we have to write a function here. Here you have to write function, right? You have to write you have to write here is price comma quantity, right, quantity dot one, right, here is key down comma key up click dot, right. After that what I am going to do is here write function quantity, function dot, you have to write here is dot, you have to write here is, you have to calculate the one, right, you have to write a var, variable var sum equal, you have to calculate them, right. Now here we have to calculate them, you have to write number, right, here is price dot val, right, you have to write multiply, this one you have to control C to, this one control C to copy, control V to paste here, this one should be the quantity, right. After that we have to write here is dot val sum, right. Here this one should be there, this sum should be displayed on this text box. Which one? This text box, total, right, this total text is not this total, here this one, this amount, right, control C copy this here, right, control S to save. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Here it's working, here it's working, right, here if you click second, here it's working, here if you give the quantity, here relevant amount should be displayed, here it's 2 mean, here 40, 3 mean the 60, it's successfully working, right. Now if you click add button, details should be added the below the table, right. Now let's check, let's see how to do the task, right. Here what I am going to do is, here we have to, right, now here this is the add button, if I click add button it goes to the method add item, right. Now I am going to create the method, so function add item, that is the function, right, this one, right, sorry, write the name correctly, okay, it goes to the function here. If you click the add button, here we have to do the calculation part, right. Here first I am going to create the function var, here I have to write first one should be the item code equal item code text box name, right. So here we have to write a thing is, first one should be the this one item code, right, item code here, the this one item code text box name, right. What's the name of here, you have to assign to the variable, relevant variable, so here this one, this code, this name you have to assign to here, right, it assign to this variable, right, dot val, right. After that the same thing you have to control C to copy, control V to paste here below. After that paste third one, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Here this one, second one should be p name, this one should be p name, sorry, this one I name, third one should be price, this one should be price, right, that's the thing. Final one should be quantity, you have to write control C to copy, control V to paste here, this one should be quantity, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right. After that what I am going to do is, here you have to write a table var table equal, you have to write here is, first you have to write tr tag. Right, here right second should be the tr closing tag. Right, now here what I'm going to do is here we have to write a inside the tr we have to write the td tag. Right, td tag. You have to write a td tag. You have to write a button first. This is a delete button. Type button. You have to write his name. You have to name. You have to write a record. You have to name it as record. Right. After that, class btn danger. Right. Here we have to write this one. Right, perfect. After that we have to write another thing is a one click method. Write one click. Right, here we have to write as a one click method. We have to write as delete. We have to write delete this. Right, that's the stuff we have to do. So have to write this one should be a delete button. Right, here write this here is td plus right, that's the thing we have to do. Right, after that what I'm going to do is you have to write a td, another td plus right, here is td. Right, here we have to write first one should be this one, item code, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one you have to make it as this plus here. Right, here what I'm going to do, you have to Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Right, this one name, this one should be price, this one should be quantity. Right, final one should be the total. We have to, in order to calculate the total here, now here we have to write the create the variable. So we have to create the variable var tot equals 0. After that we have to create another variable var total equals 0. We have to create two variables. Now we have to get it the one variable tot equal price multiplied by quantity. Right, here this one, what is the price available on this text box, what is the quantity available, it's passing to the variable here, it's calculate and display the tot in this variable. We have to call it the tot here. Ctrl C to copy this one, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be the tot. That's it. That's the thing we have to do. Right, that's the thing we have to do. Right, now what I'm going to do is here, after that tr here to close the tr successfully. After that what I'm going to do is here, you have to write another stuff is get the total, this one total variable, this total variable equal plus equal number. You have to write here's a tot, pass the tot. Right, here this one should be the calculate the final total, so that what are the total available, it is calculated. Right, after that what I'm going to do is it is passing to the relevant variable total, relevant text box total dot val total. Right, that's the stuff we have to. Finally we have to append that this records will be append on the table. Right, you have to write here is what's the name of this one, total, final total item table, this one Ctrl C to copy, this one here. Right, t body, inside the t body it will be right here we have to write item t body. Right, dot append, that is called the append method. have to write this table here, this table, Control C to copy, this Control V to paste here. That's the thing we have to do, right? That's the thing we have to do, right? Control S to save. Let's check whether it's working fine or not. Very simple code. Control S to save, otherwise can check save all. You have to check it's working fine here. Panadol, this one, right? Second one, if I enter here, it's successfully entered here. It's calculate the total perfectly, right? If you click delete button, records you want to delete. Another stuff is we have to do is after add the record, the field should be clear. That's the thing we have to do, right? After the record, the field should be clear. So we have to write here is val first, right? Now let's Control S to save. Let's check. Okay, it's clear, right? The same thing you have to put it here as well. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? Item name should clear. After that, price clear and price clear. This should be 1, quantity should be 1, right? You have to set it as 1, right? Total text box need to clear. This one should be amount, need to clear, right? This one should be 1. Control S to save. Now let's check. Okay, it's 1, right? Perfect. It's working perfect, right? It's working perfect, right? You will be able to enter it. If you click delete button, you should remove the item. At the same time, file should reduce, right? So what I'm going to do is here we have written the delete code here, delete button, right? Now here what I'm going to do is we have to write the function. This one we have to write is delete row on click method, right? Here we have to write function delete row. Here we have to write e, pass it e. If it is write this, here this pass it e. Here we have to write variable total cost equal, you have to write a pass int is pass int. You have to write here is e dot parent dot the same parent. You have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? Dot find. Here we have to write here is td last dot, you have to write text comma 10. You have to write like this, right? That's the thing we have to do, right? Last td mean this last td. What's the things available, it should be we have to remove it, right? That's the thing we have to, this is the last td, right? Find the last td, right? That's the last td available, right? Now here what I'm going to do is here we have to Control C to here we have to write, after that we have to total, this variable total variable, you have to write minus equal, this one should be incremented, this one should be decremented. So total cost we have to provide the which one we have to reduce, last td, right? So we have to write here. After that what I'm going to do is here the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it, you have to paste it here, right? After that we have to remove the row. We have to remove the row, we have to use like this. We have to use this one. This one we have to use, copy this one, Got to copy this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Dot remove. Alright, Control S to save. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. If you click delete here, it's working fine. Right, now here if you enter the relevant price, here if you click this one, it's added. If you click second one, it is price added. Now here if you pay the amount, the balance should be displayed here. Right, that's the stuff we have to do now. Now what I'm going to do is here the same thing, this function we have to copy and Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here we have to write these two, pay and balance. Right, we have to pay balance, so we have to get these two IDs. Right, pay BL, pay and total pay. Right, this one total pay, calculate the total. Right, here we have to write sum. You have to simply total, pay amount. From the pay amount we have to minus it this one, total. Right, balance should be the which text box to display the balance, bell text box. Control S to save. Now let's check. Pay 100, here 10 balance should be displayed. Right, if you click print, this all the details should be printed. Right, if you click reset one, the all things will be reset and back to my prescription page. Okay, let's write the code for the reset button. So here what I'm going to do is here go back to my reset button. Here reset button, we have to write a one click method reset. You have to write a reset. Right. If you click this button, it goes to the method one click method reset. So go here and we have to write the method function reset. So you have to write windows dot location dot href equal, we have to write here is this one, view prescription. So you write view pres dot php page. Right, it goes to the view prescription dot php. Right, now let's save. Control S to save. Right, now here we have to go here. Let's do the things. Right, here pay the bill, relevant should be displayed. If you click reset, here it's reset. Right, first one should be over, second bill we have to set. Right, it's very simple system I made. Now what I'm going to do is here we have to give the proper link for each and every pages. Right, here this one should be the view prescription. The doctor, this pharmacist will be only able to do these two things only, view the prescription and access the inventory part. Right, that's the only thing, and create the item. Only the things do by pharmacist. Let's back to our doctor part. Doctor, right, James 123 can add the doctor, will add able to add the doctor and see the details, can't add the doctor again. Right, only the one time. Right, here they able to view the channels, what are the appointment coming, able to write the prescription. Right, doctor can do the stuff only. Right, that's the thing. Right, after that what I'm going to see, we have to log as a receptionist. Right, receptionist we have to log as a Kumar. Right, they will be able to, we have to give the link for here, patient, create channel, here view channel, view prescription, or view prescription we no needed here. Create user also we did the things. We have to give the links for that, right? Now let's back to our this one, header 3. This one should be the header 3 mean, sorry, header 2 mean. This one should be the pharmacist, receptionist, right? Now here what I'm going to do is you have to make the link. Right here, first one should be the patient.php that we said. Second one, create channel. So we have write this link for should be create channel. So channel.php. Third one should be view channels. We need it. So we have to write view channels. This one, view channel.php. Right. Sorry, here. After that, view prescription we no need it. Create user, right? And let's to save. Now let's check. Patient, able to add the patient, right? View prescription is there. What's the prescription, right? What's the link I have did? View channel. Right here the problem is here, right? Here we have to the patient page we have to modify the stuff, right? Patient page we have to modify this one is here it's coming like this. If you click patient, we have to change the header, right? We have to change the header details, right? Here what I'm going to do is the same thing, you have to put it here. This one, index.php, we have to add this session part. We have to paste it all the pages. Control C to copy. We have to paste it all the pages. Then it should be work. Which user log on. Right here we didn't paste it any pages here. Right here. Instead of this header, we have to paste it here. Control S to save. After that, doctor.php also we have to paste it already. Here we no need this one. Invoice no. Item.php we have to support it here. Then only we are able to check which user are logged their account page. Right. After that, patient. Control V to save. After that, user also we need to change. Right. User already there. View channel also we have to put it here. Control V to paste. View which user, right? View prescription also. Say it here. Right. Now what I'm going to go back here. Now let's check here. If you click patient here, patient should be available, right? Here patient, we will create the patient, we create the channel. Here the receptionist able to create the channel and view the channel on this page, right? Here we no need this link, right? Here we will be able to create the channel, at the same time we will be able to view the channel by the receptionist. So let's back to our this page, right? Add 2.php. here we no need this link, right? We have to remove them. Control S to save. Right. Now let's check, right? Patient, create channel, and we have to create the user. All the stuff will be done by the receptionist, right? We made all the links. I hope you guys understood the hospital management system well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching. Do the system well. Good luck. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me.